Welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This CRJ 900 was hit by a wind gust at the worst moment. This Boeing 747 making a firm landing in Chicago. This Airbus A340 keeping its nose up after touching down. This Royal Canadian Air Force F-18 showing off at an air show. This Boeing 747 had to go around at Hamburg Airport. This Airbus A340 retracted its landing gear very late after taking off. Click the video on the screen to see more. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.